Okay, we're on number 11. And 11, it's x is going to infinity. And so this is going to be an epsilon n definition. And the reason for epsilon because 0 is a finite number. So let's go to the whiteboard. And we'll do number 11. And tedious problems, I realize that. So number 11. And number 11, I got to go back to my notes and write, because I can't remember what it is actually. It's the limit as x goes to infinity, 1 over x squared equals 0. All right? So what do we do? It's the epsilon n definition, epsilon n. So let's start in the beginning. What are we going to do? It's going to be a given. And the given is going to be we have an epsilon greater than 0. Okay? The next thing is the choosing part. And this is I always say this is the thing I don't know, but I'm going to choose some n. And the n will be related to epsilon. I just don't know what it is yet. All right? Now I can say suppose. Now what do I need to suppose? I need to suppose that x, which is a positive number by going towards infinity, is greater than n. And I want to further suppose that n is greater than 0. All right? Okay. Let's check now. That 1 over x squared minus 0, that's the limit's value, by the way. The function wants limit's value. What does that equal? Well, if x is greater than 0, this is defined everywhere. It's just going to be 1 over x squared. All right, that's if x is greater than 0. That's what it equals. All right, so what do I do now? I'm looking at this over here, and I want to get like some kind of comparison. And what I do know is I know x is greater than n is greater than 0. Now, why is this important? These are both positive numbers. All right, they're both positive. So what I want to do is just simply put this down. X, whoops, I need to do that. I'm going to write down x, I did it again. Let me erase that again. That x is greater than n. They're positive numbers. Take their reciprocal. What do you get? 1 over x greater than, I'm sorry, not greater than, I'm taking reciprocals, right? Is going to be less than 1 over n. And now I'm going to say 1 over x squared is less than 1 over n squared. So let's write that down now. So this would be less than 1 over n squared. All right? And then the question becomes is, what do I want that to be? I want that to be epsilon. Now, I have to solve this equation for n. So what are you going to get? You can get 1 over epsilon equals n squared. Again, I want to point out that n is a positive number, so I'm going to do plus or minus this root business. N will be equal to 1 over the root of epsilon. Let's write that down now. And once we write that down, we're done with the proof. All right? QED. Or what black pen, red pen does, a little square box with this over here. And we're done with that one. It wasn't a bad problem. Thank you.